Di na, uy! Sakit sa tuhod. Buy siya si Troy.
No. No.
Ay, sorry. Okay, sorry.
Yung asawa ni Lapit ko. Lapit ko na yung greenhouse.
Yung po.
Asa bang no?
No!
Sige, what?
Sige.
Ay, uy, magsalang na ba ipadoong buwang ng...
Hindi sino wala yan.
Happy birthday, Tito. I love you. Unta, happy kasi mong birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Ep. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Daddy If. I love you. Mahal kita.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday po. Enjoy ang imong day karon. Be healthy. Stay safe always. I love you. More birthdays to come. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. Thank you kayo sa tanan tabang yun mo as bigyan ko pagkabata na mo. Labi na sa ako ang pag-eskwela. Karon, nagkakikag na tabang. And karon, hapit na may mahuman. Salamat kaayo, Jud. Balag, wala may papa, pero naagya po may mga tito na kusog yung tabang. Wish na ko sa imong dito na good health and pohon kuan mi pohon makatrabaho makapangita mi trabaho kami na pimatabang sa inyo. Happy birthday and keep safe always.
Happy birthday, Tito F. We love you so much. Keep playing. Keep going.
Birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Reg. Diba? Thank you sa tanan and wish you more birthdays to come, good health and wealth, and stay safe.
Well, happy birthday. Just enjoy your day and I wish you good health, more valuable play, and singing gigs. And that's it. We love you. Perfume nako.
Alright! Hello to everyone! A pleasant evening or morning or afternoon to each of everyone. I don't know kung saan nga time nandira basta. First of all, I just want to say happy birthday to my Tito F. Kahit hindi tayo lagi magkasama at nako sa side sa akong mother, which is akong lolo, you know that. Gusto lang ako na malaman mo na mahalaga ka para sa akin bilang tito. Kahit yung mga simple communication natin like chat, like usahay lang, usahay lang, you know that. And minsan-minsan lang na minsan-minsan lang and malaking bagay na yan para sa akin. Like nung nakita tayo, tong gisundo ko ni mo din sa Magpet. Yeah, sa Magpet. And ikaw yung tipo na tito na na mapagbigay, mabait at may golden heart. Yes, golden heart. And you are the best singer na like murag concert la. Yeah, you know, concert. Pero I'm sad to say that I'm not singer dito. Dili ka ma-idolize. Cause, you know, I'm a dancer nga no daw. Singer mo tanan sa side sa mother, singer. Ay, basta, try. and best volleyball player, yeah. Volleyball player ka, like volleyball supporter jud ka, especially sa Alas Pilipinas, both women and men's. Mumay day jud ka mo updated jud ka always. Sige na ko na malimtan. And thank you sa pag-correct sa mga wrong grammar na ko. Hilom na. And syempre, you're handsome and beautiful. Kawalan ako asa ko nagmana sa imuha. Di kay mother. May joke. And na, and manasa gandaha dili sa stress. Erase. And bilang OFW sa Dubai, I'm salute ako talaga. Na abroad din si mother before. Alam mo yan. Alam kong hindi madali ang malayo sa pamilya, pero tuloy ka pa rin sa pagiging strong and inspiring. Laban lang, never give up. And wish ko para sa'yo ay good health, peace of mind, endless blessings, and deserve mo yan lahat. And I hope magkita ta again soon and soon and soon. And I hope na magkita ta. And kahit may distansya tayo, nandito ang respeto ko sa iyo. Always remember that. And pasasalamat and a good wishes para sa iyo, Tito. And once again, Tito, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday,
Hello, F! Happy birthday! Salamat kay sa tanan na mga tabang mo sa kuha, especially sa akong mga anak. Wish na ako more birthdays to come and more
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Bye!
Happy birthday, Ep! I just want to let you know that I'm so grateful that you are my brother. You are the most supportive person in the world to me. And also, I'm always here to support you as well. And I wish you all the best in life.
Hi gang, happy birthday! I wish you good health always. Remember nga naramid diri always on your side, supporting you no matter what. I also pray na tagaan ka ni Lord many more birthdays to come, more blessings and more success and more happiness. Enjoy your birthday, enjoy your day, enjoy your everything. I love you, gang!
Hello pa! Happy birthday! I wish and pray for your good health and to all your desires in life. I hope you'll achieve those and always remember that we're always here for you no matter what. Know that we're always proud of you sa tanan nimong achievements and to all the things na ma-achieve pa nimo. I pray that in every time you travel and every time you go to work, safe ka. Remember always na mag-rest, eat well, and take care of yourself. Know that you deserve all the good things in the world, and kato lang pa, happy birthday, I love you, and we miss you.
Happy 38th birthday, Ed. Hope na happy ka karon, and I'm sure happy ka. Salamat ko sa Ginoo nga ikaw matirabangan nga anak. Thank you for all your kindness to the family. I love you and happy birthday again.
Please be true.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta. My name is Jeffrey Chaka Babina. Call me Jeffrey C. And this is the birthday celebration.